use my education for any purpose intended to harm human beings.
I now request our chairman, Mr. S. Gopalakrishnan, to distribute the degrees to the graduating Master of Science by Research students.
I invite Irfan Beg to accept the award of degree of Master of Science.
We certainly take pride when we say that India could today launch satellites in the geostationary orbits at a price which is throwaway compared to what a developed nation charges. We are a nuclear power harnessing nation. We are the second most populous state in the whole world, which will be the youngest in another few years, even ahead of China. We also look back into our history and take pride in saying we are the ones who actually showed the world the beginning of the decimal system. There are many evidences in the older days which certainly would make everyone as an Indian feel proud that we certainly contributed to the global knowledge and wisdom. But on Human Development Index, we score a very meager position in the whole world. The per capita income is also not very respectable. There are millions who are below poverty line. As educated youth of this great nation, I would implore upon you, you must believe in yourself that the future of the nation lies in your hand. So what you need is confidence, self-reliance and commitment. The responsibility that we own tells us that we eventually have to contribute towards an overall goal, and that is the betterment of men and women of this great nation.
The students have won many laurels in international and national competitions. The alumni have proved their mettle in their respective workplaces. It is definitely a matter of great pride for us Bangaloreans to see before our eyes the making of a great institution. I express my happiness on behalf of the state government of Karnataka, which was amongst the initial proponents for establishment of this institution. Let me take this joyful opportunity to convey my warmest greetings to the 17th batch of graduating students.
IIIT Bangalore is one of the best institutions in the country, and this takes IIIT to the next level. I'm very confident that this culture of innovation has also been shared with the class of 2017. This is a behavior that I believe that is going to be very important to nurture and grow as we look forward into the future.